Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to disable Face ID for iTunes and App Store purchase on your iPhone running iOS 16. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So let me show you how to disable Face ID for iTunes and App Store purchase on your iPhone. So first you want to go into settings. Next, you want to scroll down until you see Face ID and passcode. Tap on it. Now here you want to type in your passcode. Next on this page, you're looking for iTunes and App Store, which will be under Use Face ID for. So to disable Face ID for iTunes and App Store, go ahead and toggle the switch to the left hand side. This will disable Face ID for iTunes and App Store purchase on your iPhone. And that is how to disable Face ID for iTunes and App Store purchase on your iPhone running iOS 16. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.